Good morning, traders. Your professor is back at it again to give you a live morning market update. So before I start, uh, please like and subscribe if this video is of value to you, and let's get into it. So the first thing I want to go over is some announcements in the channel. So I've decided to focus a lot on my free Discord that I'm currently offering. Please look at the comments if you would like to join. In this channel, we're giving a bunch of trade ideas. We're giving market analysis, news, and anything that is of worthy live while the market is trading. So please join if you guys are interested to get these updates. And furthermore, I am launching an exclusive sale to those that are interested. So if you guys are interested, please DM me because this offer expires on Friday of this week. So other than that, here's your market updates. So first thing is that we're seeing SPX futures currently range between 4100 and 4090. Now the market is slightly lower today, but yesterday we've seen the 4088 level hold, and yesterday we actually managed to do very well, and we've been doing consistently well for the last couple of weeks or so. So this trend has been continuing. Once we recognize how the market performs, we're adequately able to transition and adapt to the changing circumstances. So the things that have been really pretty much moving the markets is the top headline news. And for today, the key news that is out right now is yesterday JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley basically gave an update on the banking crisis. Jamie Dimon mentioned that there's more fears to come in the short run, and Morgan Stanley mentioned that the commercial real estate market is at big trouble right now. So we'll see how those developments come to fruition in the next few months or so. But right now, there's no major economic event that is happening so far. Now, another thing to know is that this month is particularly important because we do have a lot of tech earnings coming up. So big techs are reporting earnings near the end of the month, around April 20th of that week. So that is going to be a very, very key point, because if techs are showing major weaknesses in earnings, and they've been the key index that has been pretty much holding the market up. So those are the key inflection points of this month here. Is all about the tech earnings that are going to be coming up. Now, other than that, what we see happening today is that Meta has got an upgrade from Jeffries. So we want to see if Meta becomes the leader of the market today, because if Meta is in fact the leader, then the market won't go lower. We can possibly see Meta surge today, so I'm looking at adding a week on those calls. So let's see how the 215 and the 220 calls look pre-market as a possible buying opportunity into today's event. Other stocks that are also looking weak right now, Tesla looks very weak pre-market here, and we're seeing the stock down slightly here, testing at 190 level. The 180 puts can work as long as Tesla breaks below 190 today. So keep an eye on that. There has been a lot of issue with Tesla vehicles, and the fact that they went down on their delivery numbers is a bearish sentiment overall for that stock. Another stock that is showing weakness pre-market is NVDA. So Google mentioned today that basically their AI technology and processing power is superior to NVIDIA, and that is why that stock is down approximately between 1 to 2% today. So we can see weakness in semiconductors and processing computers. So we'll definitely be watching for that as well. Overall, the S&P 500 is now trending lower. We're seeing market makers starting to sell the strength and buy the weakness here. So pretty much this is a market for put premium writers. The implied volatility has been low this week, and the reason for that is the market is pricing a chopping market here. So what we're looking for on SPX is we want to see if SPX goes below 4070, because if SPX breaks below that level, then you're going to see the transition flip, and you're going to see the put buyers kick in around that level, and that is the biggest level so far that we have towards the downside. Now towards the upside, we want to see if SPX can break above 4100 first, and then above 4120. That's when the market starts to add more bullish calls and positioning. So that can definitely bring the market up as well. But if we break below that 4070, guys, it's very likely we can test the 4050 level for today. So if you're buying puts and you're playing towards the downside, I recommend being very patient and waiting for the right opportunity to strike. And on puts as well too, it's likely that our weekly low range is 40.50. So I don't see the market going lower than 40.50 by Thursday because it is a short week this week. So just keep that in mind, that 40.50 will be a strong inflection point. I would like to add calls around that area too if possible, but we want to see if financials hold their key levels and they remain strong throughout the day. Now, that is all I have for you guys today so far in terms of news and market events. Stay tuned for more. I'm developing my strategy in terms of how I'm going to be communicating market events, news, and so forth. So you will see a lot of content come out in the near future. And please push that like and subscribe button if you guys want to show your support. I'm really focused on growing this channel, and I really do believe that everyone that puts their mind and focus into trading, you can definitely make a success. And I'll definitely focus on sharing a lot of free content, so that way one day you can see our proven track record and decide that we're the right mentors for you. So thanks guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video.